Hey there, it's your girl Laura with another tutorial. The front post single crochet is a post stitch. This means that the stitch is worked into the row below around the post of a lower stitch. Basically, it's just a single crochet in a different place, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Normally, you'd go into your next stitch as normal here. But with front post single crochet, you're working around the stitch or the post from the previous round. So you're going to bring your hook down in here around the stitch from the previous round, and you're going to insert, yarn over, and draw up a loop. Now you're going to finish your single crochet just as you would normally by just grabbing the yarn and drawing through both loops. So I'm going to show you that slowed down a bit in slow motion so that you can see really where I'm inserting my hook and how to bring up that loop, because it can be a bit tricky. So this is what it looks like after you've completed a few. It almost starts its own little row here. This stitch is generally used for shaping. As you can see, it kind of gives it a slight bend or puts it at a slight angle. On your next round, you're going to continue on with these new stitches here. You're not going to work into these old stitches. This is actually the stitch from the previous round, and you're going to kind of ignore that and work with your new row of stitches here. I made this video to help those who have purchased my recent pattern for this. It's a fidget toy that looks like a severed finger, and it actually snaps at both knuckles. Pretty freaky and a lot of fun to play with. If you'd like to purchase one, I have them available on my Etsy. I also have the pattern available for purchase if you'd like to make your own. You can check out my other tutorials on this channel so that you can learn the skills needed to make one of these awesome toys. You can get to my Etsy, it's linked through my channel, and as always, thank you so much for watching.